Well, there was a man lived in a shed. Spent most of his days out of his head before his shed was run. Let in the rain. Let in the rain. Before his shed was run. Before his shed was run. Let in the rain. Let in the rain. Let in the rain. Let in the rain. Before his shed was run. Before his shed was run. Before his shed was run. Let in the rain. Let in the rain. Let in the rain. Let in the rain. When it rained, he felt so bad. When it snowed, he felt simply sad. There was a girl who lived nearby. Whenever he saw her, he could simply sigh. But she lived in a house so very big and grand, it never seemed like some very distant land. So when he called her, he shed to mend. She said, "I'm sorry, you'll just have to find a friend." Well, the story is not so very new, but the man is me, yes, and the girl is you. So leave your house, come into my shed, please stop my well from raining through my head. Before his shed was run. Before his shed was run. Before his shed was run. Let in the rain, let in the rain, let in the rain, let in the rain. Before his shed was run. Before his shed was run. Before his shed was run. Let in the rain, let in the rain, let in the rain, let in the rain. Please don't think I'm not your sort. Sheds are nicer than you thought.